What is up, boys and girls? Uh, we are at 204 Haverford Drive here in the Laughlin section of Wilkes-Barre. We're doing an update. We haven't posted a video in about a week and a half. I got the opportunity to take my kids and my wife on vacation, so we went on vacation. So there's lots of updates. So sorry, just finishing my morning coffee, but yeah, let's check out some of them. So one of the first things is here is this wonderful, we're installing electric fireplace. This is less for heat and more for ambiance and to make the room. So we used some shiplap for those of you familiar with HGTV. And we're currently coming over here testing out paint colors. And holy shit, there's a lot. Oh, wait, that's not it. Let's look at more. Oh, more paint colors. Any guesses on who put the X's on colors? Yeah, that might have been me. Don't know. But we're leaning towards maybe this for an accent wall. And maybe something like this for color. We got this gorgeous wood floor, so that's going to look awesome. So let me take a step back to show you this. So we have lots of gorgeous natural light from these three giant windows that face north and east. So lots and lots of great sun. So the fireplace will be there. We're thinking of this being the accent wall. And then George has a special project over here. He's going to do all sorts of something with grid and trigonometry and square root of the tire pressure. And I don't know what it is, but he says it's going to look awesome on this wall. So we'll find out. But that will bring this room together. And there's a good view right there. I think this is going to look nice. Because I'm hoping this wall will be the darker color for the accent wall with this gorgeous white and then the black fireplace. And then whatever George does over there, I think this could look really cool. Yeah. So let's go in here. So believe it or not, light is super amazing and troublesome when it comes to paint. This color right here and this color right here, same color. That's what the cabinets are going to become. So I'm starting to prep for that. This refrigerator is a little bit small, so I'm raising up the cabinet today so we can get a bigger refrigerator in there. Once we paint, obviously, there's no point in bringing the appliances over till then. But that's the color we're leaning towards for the cabinets to go with that gorgeous, I don't know, slate-looking countertop. I think it's going to look really cool. So that is an update. Let's see what we got else going on. Oh, these steps. Let's talk about these steps. George is going to crush these steps. I have no doubt about it. We're going to probably do black steps with a runner, and it's going to be this nice kind of welcoming path upstairs. I think it's going to look very, very nice. We already started some painting. Oh, well, but the painter hasn't already started painting the trim, which came out awesome. Look at how nice that trim came out. And the doors. I don't know. Can't really tell the doors. Maybe if we can shine a light. But they came out awesome. And you know why they came out awesome? George told you they were going to come out awesome. He showed you how we prepped and got them ready for paint. And because of that, they came out awesome. Over here, maybe better light. Look at that. Boom. Gorgeous. So we got trim. We got the ceilings done. We're getting ready for wall color. So that's exciting. He already painted the railings black, but they're covered up and protected, obviously. This is that same, one of the same colors downstairs up here. Take a look. Let me know your thoughts. You think it's ugly, whatever. We're trying to get away from grays. Grays have been popular the last, I want to think like 18 through 21, 22. But they're kind of overdone. So we're trying to think of another color that had a different color, base color than gray. And so I think that's got a hint of green, which again ties into this wood floor that's hidden underneath all these pads. So yeah, that's where we're at with this. My project this week, which is either going to be a blessing or a curse, is the bathroom. So let's go in here. I got the tub in all ripped out, ready to go. We got some work. This is an exterior wall here, never even had any insulation, so we got to fix that. This is, for those of you asking, this is concrete because this is a townhouse, and that's a firewall because that's the next townhouse over. So to hopefully prevent fires from spreading, that's what that's there for. So that's our neighbor. But we're going to get this nice new white shiny tub in here. So I'm prepping for all that. And then over here, this had this like door that was kind of like a water closet. So I'm going to we're going to blow this out, kind of make it a little more open, kind of like a all-in-one as opposed to kind of two distinctive rooms. But then wait till you see this. So we're doing dual sinks, but we're going to do a live edge countertop, and it is going to look awesome. So it'll be countertop, shelving, countertop. I'm sorry. It's going to be vanity, shelving, vanity with a countertop going from wall to wall. And then I'm thinking mirror, mirror, getting rid of this light and having a pendant light come down from the ceiling. And this thing is going to look awesome. So it's functional. It's got the two sinks, the new shower, the toilet, new flooring, obviously paint, but it's also going to have that really cool live edge countertop. So this is what I get to play with for the next week. Closets, the ceiling. We're kind of getting ready to tie up the bedrooms up here. So that should be moving forward. And then it's just the downstairs where we're gonna work on the kitchen. Also down here, we're gonna do some trim work somewhere along here, just to tie it in, make it seem a little bit nicer. These doors are getting swapped out. We're gonna do barn doors on both closets. Yeah, so that's kind of where we're at right now. I wanted to update everybody. We're still looking to be on the market for April. And I think we're close to hitting that timetable. But definitely let me know what you think. Here, let's end on the paint. Hold on, let me get some light in here. Kind of a rainy day, not much light, but that changes it a little bit. Let me know. Again, I think it's that. This is definitely going to be the cabinets. Maybe both of these, one of these. We have left or right? You tell me. Remember, we have like golden brown honey oak wood flooring. So give you one last shot. Left or right? Drop a comment below. And we'll see you next week for an update.